Diwali. Happy Diwali, everybody. My name is Samiti. Welcome back to the channel. Finally, I'm back on YouTube. I've been gone from YouTube. I've not been consistent. So I thought maybe I'll do a comeback with this video. And today I'm bringing my sisters to do a Q&A video with me. It's currently 6:36 in the morning and we've been up all night. I'm torturing my sisters. We are three sisters. I'm the eldest of three. She's my youngest sister. She's my middle sister. Guys, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm the youngest and my name is Hansni.
I'm here. So today we'll be answering some questions which will give you an idea of how different we are. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
They are very tired. You can tell by their energy. Describe your ideal type or ideal men in 3 words.
I don't think so he exists in real life. I don't know.
एक तो जो ना मतलब बुक्स बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ता हूँ मतलब नॉलेजेबल हो बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेजेबल ये ऑब्वियसली रिस्पेक्टफुल और थर्ड रिच
I'm done. She has her priorities straight. Rich. You can answer.
Ready, educated, and respectful. That's it.
I'll say gentle, very calm. Somebody who is expressive, who is obsessed with me. Praying with me, working out with me.
Studying with me, walking with me, eating with me, cooking with me.
You could live anywhere in the world. Where would it be and why?
Like a house,
Anywhere in the world.
पहाड़ी के पीछे वाला घर है.
बड़ा सा बंगला हो बहुत बड़ा बंगला
पहाड़ी के पीछे वाला घर और बड़ा आलीशान बंगला.
Well, I think they're asking a country specifically. I'll say somewhere in Greece or Switzerland. These are the countries that fascinate me in terms of
Why
beauty.
Greece?
Because it's very beautiful. I have seen a lot of tourists explained that it's very calm.
Next question.
Who is most likely to start crying during an argument?
That's gay.
करती हूँ मैं आर्गुमेंट
That's
Argument
gay.
आपसे कोई
On
करे
top.
and would you start crying? Like among 3 of us, who do you think starts crying in an argument?
Yes,
I think me.
I think me.
I always cry.
I think me.
मैं बैडली दिखती हूँ but I am not.
I have never been successful in arguments. Always cry. That's such a bad habit and I'm improving it. If you were in a movie, what character would you be? The main lead, villain or the funniest best friend? Like a side character of best friend or you would be the main lead? That's
Main
the second.
lead.
Thirdly, you would be a villain.
विलन
Did you have a fight with somebody or what?
वो एक्सपीरियंस करना है विलन वाला इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है
Okay, the last one which is left and I believe that I'll be the funniest best friend. Like the side character.
Side character, man character.
But it also comes with the funniest best friend, so I'll be the funniest best friend. What's your biggest fear about growing up?
नॉट बीइंग एबल टू अचीव माय गोल्स
I think my biggest fear is getting married.
To say that. Being a disappointment to my parents. Knowing what I am capable of, remaining the same and not getting to live the life that I want. And being a failure is my biggest fear.
3 of us had to live together forever.
Who would survive longest without fighting? Because we fight
A lot.
A lot.
It's crazy. I'm curious about this one. If you had to swap lives with one sister for a week, who would it be and why?
No one.
But if you guys had to choose, I don't think you guys would choose me.
Yes. You
Because
are sleeping panda.
नो ये सब
I think Hansni, of course.
वो पढ़ती रहती है सारा दिन
Yeah.
और वो मतलब बहुत से
Oh my God, that's.
She's very hardworking. You? She is very hardworking. She knows she has to work. There's nothing coming in her way.
She stays all night for her exams. She does a lot for her friends. She'll go all out and spoil
them also.
Would you ever date someone your sister doesn't like?
Maybe or maybe not.
डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन
I think
इफ ही इज ऑल द क्वालिटीज दैट आई वांट देन मे बी यस
I think I'll not. Do
my sister would never
think.
that is not good for me.
Whatever
Respect
she-
my sister's decision, so yeah. she's elder. She's also elder, so yeah.
Even if there's not a significant thing which is bad about a guy, but still
They'll tell me this is wrong about this guy.
this guy was doing this, and I'm like,
Really?
yeah, it's just that, yeah, sister's opinion do matter. What's your biggest ick in a guy? Like,
गुस्सा करना, ये मतलब गंदे वर्ड्स यूज करना, अब्यूसिव वर्ड्स यूज करना, ऐसी चीज़ों का-
Drinking, smoking. Drink करेगा तो फिर abuse भी कर सकता है.
abusive language मुंह से और हाथ से
actions, yeah, abusive human. Person who thinks who gets to control a life, or his life is to control us.
What the hell? What the hell?
Motto of life.
God, so much footage has been deleted, even though the last part was so beautiful. So we'll end the video with Q&A is Diwali special. The one thing that you love about Diwali.
अपने हाथ में कुछ मेहंदी लगाना, ऐसा
Same here.
This. I love this man's.
I'll say my favorite thing about Diwali is Diwali morning.
I love waking up and knowing that
It's Diwali. Just waking up and knowing that it's gonna be bright.
fun, exciting.
A lot of back hurting, doing so much work. Like kamar tulwain cheezein. I love waking up with the excitement of Diwali.